On this episode, we're changing out the headlight assembly on a 2010 Ford F-150. I think this would be the same if you're going to change a light bulb, because there ain't no way to get back here to pull out light bulbs. I mean, you could take the airbox out. That also includes the coolant bottle. And then there's a rubber flap. So, I mean, you could take all of this out, or you can just take this off. So I already did the driver's side. So if you're going to change light bulbs on the driver's side, battery's in the way. And if you take the battery out, the battery tray's in the way. But to take this off, there's only 3 bolts. So there's one little plastic clip that holds this rubber flap on. So you just pull it apart, pull it out, and then this is exposed. And then it's just 3 10mm bolts. I would say all kind of dumb stuff about Fords, but the owner's sitting right there. So I think you have to do this to change the light bulb. That's the only thing I can figure. And then it just pulls out. It's got some clips over here. But just give it a tug. Give it a tug. Give it a tug. There you go. And so then here's your light bulbs on the back side of it. This little one you have to twist out. The front one twists out, and then this will twist out to get to the bulb. It does not twist out. This one twists out with a pair of pliers. There we go. And so pop this bulb out. Pop this bulb out. This one is a push down. And give it a little screwdriver action. There we go. These are H13s for the big one. 3157s. And then these little 2-prong jobs. So you would just put the bulbs in, stick them back in, and then reload this. But you can see that it's all faded and corroded on the front, so we're swapping it out. So the new one we picked up off Amazon. There's very many available. And we just went with the one that was the Amazon choice. So the only thing I can figure is give these a little squish on these clips to get them started. You just line it up so the rods go in the holes, and then the clips go in here in the slots, and then this goes on top where the old one was mounted. But first we're going to put the bulbs on. So I don't know what Jack's engineer designed these, but none of these are the same, which is good. So that means they only go in one way. But getting it lined up is kind of a pain. Same thing with this one. 3 different sizes. I could have made it universal. And then the new light bulb, the same thing. 3 different sizes. It only goes in one way. And then give it a twist. To lock it in, it'll click. Once you get past the fender, you can't see. So you got to get kind of close along the way. They made the post longer. It would have been a little bit easier. So it's in. You put your little rubber piece back on. There's a little divot here for it to kind of rest against. And the little clippy. And the holder downer. Cotton gloves. Good for cleaning off dust. Sort of. Are they on?
Yep.
Got light there, got light there, got light there. Cool. Not too hard. Easier than trying to get your hand back there. 3 bolts, 2 clips, piece of cake. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.